We are pleased to show you the 2019 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.